Hello, today we're going to make this simple bouquet flower in a pot. You will need these materials: a super glue, a 3.5mm crochet hook, and I use 100% acrylic yarn. Now start by doing the flower. Form a magic ring or a magic circle. Chain, then add 3 double crochet. Two, 3, then slip stitch. Okay, repeat chain 1, add 3 double crochet, then slip stitch. Repeat chain of 1, add 3 double crochet, then slip stitch. Okay, once you have 5 in total, make a chain and cut the yarn. And then hide the tail inside the stitches. Now you will need to have a yellow yarn, or you can use any color you want. Then shape at the side of this, in every side of this flower, right here. For the leaf and this pot, you can find the link on going to the tutorial. I will give you the link in my description below. Okay, then glue this piece of petal flower on this here.